Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online business with Square, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your online business with Square, start by creating a secure account. Visit the Square website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address, create a strong password, and complete the registration process. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone or email. Next, familiarize yourself with Square's dashboard. Check out the security features it offers, including fraud detection tools. Implement SSL certificates for your business website. SSL encrypts data transferred between your site and your customers, enhancing security. Keep your software updated. Regular updates to your operating system and apps protect against vulnerabilities. Monitor your transactions for any suspicious activity. Square provides tools to track sales and detect fraud. Train your employees on online security best practices. Ensure they understand the importance of password management and identifying phishing attempts. Regularly back up your data. Having backups ensures you won't lose valuable information in case of an incident. Review your privacy policy to align with compliance regulations. Make sure your customers know how you handle their data. Consider using Square's built-in reporting tools. These can help you analyze trends and track suspicious behavior over time. Stay informed about security threats relevant to online businesses. Joining forums or subscribing to updates can be beneficial. Finally, maintain open communication with Square support. Utilize customer service for any security concerns or questions you may have. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.